Welcome to the 2-Minute SQL Tips. Want to organize your query results in a specific order? In this 2-minute tip, we'll show you how to use the order by clause to sort your data. And yes, we'll keep it short and simple. By default, SQL doesn't guarantee the order of rows in your results. But what if you view the information in this table by sales amount or store name? That's where order by comes in. Add it to your query, and SQL will sort the results by the column you specify, in this case, by sales amount. As you can see, the rows are now sorted in ascending order by sales amount. Ascending is the default sort order. Want the highest sales amounts first? Add DESC after the column name to sort in descending order. Here's the output. You can even sort by multiple columns. Here, the data will be sorted by sales amount first, and if there's a tie, it will sort by store name alphabetically. Now that you know how to sort data with order by, try it in your next query. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more 2-minute SQL tips. See you next time.